Hey, I'm trying out something new. We're going to do an unboxing video. This box has been sitting on my next to my front door for a couple days, and I've been walking by it and waiting to open it. So let's see what it is and see what you guys think. Alright, so what we got here is a new turbocharger. It says GT2871 Max Speeding Rods Turbocharger. Got a turbo flange, looks pretty small. Oh, they always get me with the zip tie. There it is. GT28. This is for Bug 1600 or 1641 project. Spins fine. No shaft play. And it was $125. So can't really beat that. The flange is really small, a lot smaller than I thought. So this is like a T4 flange. So if you get the idea how small this is, that's obviously not going to bolt up. Definitely going to need to get a flange. The other thing I want to check and see if it... Oh yeah. Wow, that inlet is about 3 inch. So overall, happy with the unboxing. Now I'm just playing around. So we'll talk about turbo for a second. We do draw through or blow through. Draw through means that you're drawing the fuel actually through the compressor housing and it's mixing it all up in there and heading out to wherever the heck you want it. Now this will be, so we want, this is the drain side of the turbo, so that has to go down. But that can be rotated on the compressor housing. What we'll have here is more than likely a carburetor. The exhaust gas comes in here, spins the impeller, then it will actually suck fuel through here and blow it out, fuel and air, into the engine. Obviously that's a little bit overkill, but this is a, they call it a Predator carburetor. It's very interesting. Not really sure if it's going to work, but I don't care. I think they're awesome. So carburetor brings the fuel in here, mixes it up, blows this out into the engine. Specifically for air-cooled Volkswagens, but it's been done other ways. Anyways, that's my unboxing of the GT2871 from Max Speeding Rods turbocharger. Obviously it's Chinese made. It's $125. What we're going to do is we're going to put it on this engine right here. This is a 1641 bug engine. You kind of get an idea where the turbo was placed before, or was my idea where the turbo wants to be. We're just going to cut the flange off here, put a flange right there, and make everything else happen in the meantime. So that's going to do it. Appreciate you watching. If you want more information on this turbocharger, just check it out in the comments. Alright, see you later.